Hello children, now going to start set operations. Union of two sets. What is union of two sets? A union B. It is denoted by A union B. First of all, understand union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B consists of all the elements which belong to either set A or to set B or both the sets. या तो सेट ए में बिलोंग करेगा या तो सेट बी में या दोनों में बिलोंग करता है. ठीक है. एंड इट इज डिनोटेड बाय ए यूनियन बी. द यूनियन ऑफ टू सेट्स ए एंड बी कंसिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स विच बिलोंग इधर टू सेट ए और टू सेट बी. क्लियर? इट विल बी मोर क्लियर. जस्ट सी one example. Let A set I have taken 5, 6, 7. Set B equal to 6 and 8. So in both the set 5, 6, 7, 6, 8. In set B 6 is also here. What is not here? Here is 8 not there. Here is only 2 elements. So A union B you will write either to set A or set B or both the set. So when you will write A union B सारे element को लिखना है. Okay, but do not repeat the same element. 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is known as A union B. A union B का मतलब ही होता है कि ये सेट A में बिलोंग करेगा सेट B में या दोनों में. तो जब हम A यूनियन B लिखते हैं तो दोनों सेट का मिला करके सारे एलिमेंट्स को लिखते हैं. ओनली मेक श्योर डू नॉट रिपीट द सेम नंबर. 5, 6, 7, 8. अंडरस्टूड? Like that many examples are there. When you will write the A union B, both the elements you have to write. Okay, both the elements. Only you do not repeat the same number or same digits or same letter. Clear? Now, some properties are also there. You need to understand some properties, children. First property, A union B, it is commutative. Union of two set is commutative. A union B equal to B union A. It should be LHS equal to RHS. Second property is also union of two set is also associative. Union of sets is associative of three sets A, B, C. A union B union C equal to A union C. Okay. Third property, each element of set A is contained in A union B. Therefore, A subset of A union B. अगर हर एक एलिमेंट सेट A का कंटेंट करता है A यूनियन B में तो वो A जो है वो सबसेट होता है A यूनियन B का. ओके. सो A सबसेट ऑफ B देन A यूनियन B इक्वल टू B. अगर A सबसेट B का है देन A यूनियन B इक्वल टू B वैल्यू आएंगे. ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्जाम्पल यू कैन मेक by yourself. This is easy, not tough. Okay, so all the properties you can read. It is written clearly in your book and it is very easy. There is no doubt in this. Only need to understand A union B how to write. And this is commutative, this is associative. Okay. Now second one is intersection of two sets. What is intersection, children? Intersection means the intersection of two sets A and B is the set of element which are common to both the sets A and B. जो दोनों में common हो वो होता है intersection. Okay, just see here and it is denoted as A intersection B. A set equal to 5, 6, 7. B set equal to 6 and 8. What is common in both the set, children? 6 is present in A set also. 6 is present in B set also. So which is common? The common element is known as A intersection B equal to 6. Clear? So A intersection B equal to 6. I hope it is clear. In this also intersection of two sets, some properties given in your book. A intersection B is also commutative. A intersection B equal to B intersection A. LHS equal to RHS. And A intersection of two set is also associative. So in associative there are the three sets A, B and C. A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Clear, children? You can prove by yourself any example 1, 2, 3, 4 any elements take and prove it LHS equal to RHS. It is easy. Okay. Now third one is difference of two sets. What is difference? Difference means A minus B. Difference means the elements which is present in, wait one second, it is It is falling. Okay, now see here. A and B are two given sets. Then their difference is A minus B. So what is A minus B? A minus B is the set of those elements which belong to set A. Which belong to set A but not to B. जो A में है वो but B में नहीं है. Okay, जैसे है A minus B equal to X such that X belongs to B and X not belong to B. वैसा सेट जो X जो है सेट ऑफ A में तो बिलोंग करता है पर B में बिलोंग नहीं करता. X belongs to B but not belongs to, sorry here I have to write A. X belongs to A and X not belong to B means X A को बिलोंग करता है but B को बिलोंग नहीं करता है. Once again telling, A minus B is the set of those elements which belong to set A but not to set B. Okay, just see one more example. Let A equal to B, C, D, E. Okay, and B set equal to A, B, C. Okay, now A minus B is what? Belong to A but not to B. So what is belong to A? A में क्या है? D है पर B में क्या नहीं है? B में तुम्हारा D नहीं है और क्या नहीं है? E नहीं है. D और E तुम्हारा A सेट में है पर B सेट में D और E नहीं है. Understood? So A minus B is D and E only. Clear children? Which belongs to set A but not belongs to set B. That is called A minus B. And B minus A is what? B minus A is the same way. Which belong to B but not belong to set A. B में क्या है? A, B, C. Okay? और A में क्या नहीं है? A में क्या मिसिंग है? Can you find out? A में set A में A नहीं है. A letter is missing. So B minus A equal to A. Clear children? I hope it is clear. It is easy, you can find out. Now fourth one is distributive law. Distributive law over the intersection of two sets. Just see here, A union B intersection C equal to A union B intersection A union C. We have to prove this. LHS equal to RHS. It should be equal. LHS equal to RHS. A union B intersection. So first of all you find out, with example you will understand properly. Set A I have taken, set B and set C. Okay. First of all you find out B intersection C. You know how to find intersection? Which is common. B intersection C. B और C set में क्या common है वो निकाल लो. Which is common? 6 and 8 is common in both the set. So B intersection C equal to 6 and 8. And now put here, find out A union B intersection C. So A union, you know, A set is given 2, 5, 8, 11. This is A set given. Union B intersection C already you have find out 6 and 8. So write down here 6 and 8. Now इन दोनों में से यूनियन निकालिए. इन दोनों में से आप यूनियन निकालिए. कैसे करेंगे? A union B intersection. यूनियन आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. जो दोनों सेट या दोनों में होना चाहिए. 2, 5 व्हाट यू विल राइट हियर 6, 8, 11. 2, 5 सारे एलिमेंट्स को लिख देने हैं. ओके, रिपीट नहीं करोगे एलिमेंट को. सारे एलिमेंट को लिखिए. 2, 5, 6, 8 and 11. दिस इज यूनियन. So this is equation first. We have found out A union B intersection C. Clear? Now RHS find out. First of all A union B intersection then A union C. ये दोनों को निकाल के फिर लास्ट में हम इंटरसेक्शन दोनों का फाइंड आउट करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल A union B you find out. A union B you know. A और B का यूनियन निकाल दोगे क्या होगा? दोनों एलिमेंट को मिला के लिख दीजिए. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 11. Okay, this is A union B intersection. Now A union C. अब A union A सेट और C सेट का दोनों एलिमेंट्स को मिलाकर के लिख दीजिए. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Okay, got it? Now दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन निकाल दो. अब इन दोनों में से कॉमन क्या है? जो कॉमन है वो इंटरसेक्शन होता है. तो 2 is common in both the set. 2, 2, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8, 11, 11. Okay, so this is equation second. Means now from first and second it is proved LHS equal to RHS. Okay children, I hope it is clear. Like in the same manner, you can prove by yourself. A intersection B union C equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. By this example, this also you can prove by yourself. Okay. So exercise 6D completed. Any doubt in any questions, ask in group. Clear?